We're here at Feral Equipment with a Makita innovation that is fantastic. Let me tell you, this, obviously you can see how small this tool is. It's Makita's XTR01Z 18V Brushless Palm Router. Takes Makita's 18V lithium-ion battery, which fits our family of over 200 plus tools. You have your fuel gauge on the top to make sure you've got juice to get the job done. What you'll notice is we have a lock mechanism and our switch right here. So in order to engage the tool, all you do is you hit the unlock and then the power button. What's nice about that is it has soft start. So when you're going to cut in your application, the bit starts up slow and then ramps up to full speed. If you want, you can also dial down the speed. So if you're going through thicker materials or you have a larger bit and you don't want to burn the wood, easy dial adjustment here. LED light. And you also have a really nice rack and pinion height adjustment. So when you're really trying to dial in the exact depth of measurement, you'll see that we've even marked it on the router motor itself. You can dial up and down the height exactly where you want and then clamp it right in. What's also really handy about Makita's Palm Router is that we have 5 other bases that fit this router. So it's an extremely versatile tool on the job and in the cabinet shop. You can put a plunge base on the router, a tilt base, an offset base. We have an edge guide, and we also have a face for dust management. So if you want to hook this up to your Makita cordless vacuum for dust management, you can easily put that shroud on here, hook the hose up to it, and now you're set for dust collection on site. Makita's XTR01Z bare tool or XTR01 T7 kit are fantastic router solutions that only Makita can offer.